dear everybody, how are you today? Alright, we are here in the Stazione Porta Nuova di Verona. We are here, look here, the weather is so nice. And look how many buses. Anyway, today we are going to Brescia Sirmione. So I'm super excited. Say hello to the people. Say hello. Hello people. Anyway, so I'm so happy today because we really get the good weather. So I didn't eat yet because I'm still in fasting. I finished to eat yesterday, so I'm still in fasting. And yeah, let's wait for the bus. Oh, look here, this is the price of one ticket. So now it's getting so expensive here to live here in Italy or in Verona. Getting so expensive. I'm here waiting for the bus. Look here, they write negro. This is mean nigger. So yeah, here they are very racist. But anyway, I don't want to change my mood. I just want to be happy today. So this is the bus time. We just have to wait 20 minutes. And we can go to Sirmione. I'm so tired, you know, I'm so hot, I feel hot. But now we want to eat something because we are very hungry. This is my lunch. Alright, this is my lunch. I made this at home for my beautiful lunch. I've got another one here. So I got two salads with some olives and tomatoes and cheese. Strawberry. Blueberry. Some nuts, really healthy, and where's tuna? Oh, tuna, I think it's here. Tuna, tonno riomare, nice one. Qual cazzo poi mi sa che non era qua, dai. No, non era qua. Mamma mia, ma che bellezza! È una bellezza! Gelato, facci sapere com'è sto gelato. La macchina qua è super busy. Here is so busy, you know, but I love this gelateria, so beautiful. I love the song also. Let's dance. Wow, 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 wow. Unfortunately I cannot eat because it's sugar, so it's not keto friendly. But it looks delicious, really nice. And this is the end of the video. I hope you watched the video till the end. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. And please subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Sorry, lemonade without sugar. This is my beautiful keto drink with a garnish of mint. I'm so happy, you know. I just paid €4 for this beautiful drink with fresh lemon from Sicily. And look here, spettacolo. But the weather now is not that nice. Maybe it's going to rain. It's going to rain soon. This is the end of the video. I hope you watched till the end. Thank you so much for watching. And please comment, like, and share. Bye. See you in the next video.